what's up, everybody? This is Kim, and I am your Super BVA, and I'm back again with another video tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to generate motivated sellers leads and find deals for free. So make sure you watch the end of this video to find out how to find deals absolutely for free. And also, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and remember to hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my latest uploads. Well, it helps me a lot to reach people and impact more life. Other than that, let's get started. All right, so we're going to leverage Zillow.com to generate motivated sellers leads and find deals for free. If you never used Zillow before, it is a nationwide database for property values and information and a nationwide public listing service. What does that mean? Anyone across the country can sell their property on Zillow for free. So, if you have property for rent, you can list it here. Rental, apartment, house for rent, all your for rent properties are here. If you have properties for sale, you can list it here as well. But today we're going to do the for sale by owner. We're going to send an offer on the homeowner. So we go to buy and then click for sale by owners. All right. So my example here is the Little Rock, Arkansas. So as you can see, look at all this red dot right here. So these are all your sellers lead. These are all your lead, all your motivated seller leads that you just found. And these are people that want to sell their property themselves. Now you're going to be, or you're probably asking yourself, why would somebody sell their property for sale by owner? And why would they not reach out to realtors and list it on market and do it traditionally? Well, they probably don't want to pay the commission and don't want to pay the realtor to do that. They want to save money by not paying a commission and probably don't want to pay the closing costs. So they want to sell the property themselves. So these are all your motivated sellers. They don't want to do it traditionally. So these are all your for sale by owner leads right here. All right, so now you're probably asking yourself, how will we find deals with this? All I see is a bunch of red dots. Okay, 1 second. All I see is a bunch of red dots. And how am I going to turn this into a deal? All right, so, well, we will submit an offer to every single red dot in your market. And let me show you how we're going to do about that. So, for example, this property right here. Right. So, we have a property located at Little Rock, Arkansas, listed for $185,000. Right. We can look at the picture in this area right here, and we're going to submit an offer. Now, every offer we submit, we're going to submit an offer for at 60% of their asking price. All right, so their asking price is $185,000, and we're going to get the 60% out of it. All right, so we are going to scroll down and find the page where we can submit or we can contact the homeowner. So we put our name here, phone, and email, and a message. All right, so I am ready to offer you All right. So what is the offer? Again, the offer is the 60% of the asking price. So for example, the asking price is 185,000 times point 0.6, 60%. So this is the asking price. This is the offer. All right, this is the offer. So we're gonna copy that one and then paste it here. The offer is 111,000. So after that, I will pay for the closing cost and take the property and as its condition. And we're going to click contact agent, and boom, you just submitted your offer. And when we go back to the map, so we go back to the map, as you can see here, this property right here turns into like a pinkish red, because that means that that property is already completed. We already submitted an offer on that property. So we can go check out other red dots right here to submit an offer. All right, so we're going to do another sample. So let's say, for example, oops, this one. Okay. All right, the property is still located in Little Rock, and the asking price is 149,900. And again, we are going to get the 60% out of the asking price. So the asking price is 149,900 times 0.60. So this is the asking price. Now 90,000. So we're going to click this contact agent, and right, we're going to click this contact agent right here, and then put your name, your phone number, your email, and then your message. I am prepared to offer you the amount, 60% of this asking price, so 90,000. I will pay all the closing cost and take the property in as is condition. And then contact agent, and boom, you've just submitted your second offer. And we're going to go back to the map. And as you can see, this part right here, this one, it turns into a pinkish one because it means that that property right there is already completed. We already sent our offer on that property. So could one of these property be interested in your 60% offer as of their asking price offer? I think so. And the more offer you submit, the better your chance of getting a deal from doing this. It is very possible to get a deal by doing this. It may take a little time, but it is possible. All right. So now the next step is, how are you going to stay on top of it to make sure you are beating everyone in the area? Beating a competition to the for sale by owner. All right, and you're going to go through every single one of this red dot until they turn into pink, and that means that you're caught up. You've given every active for sale by owner in your area an offer. Now, it's up to you if you're going to do it daily or weekly. So you can click the more section right here. You can scroll down and then go to days on Zillow. It's either you chose 1 day or 7 day, and then click apply. So these are the property on 7 day. So if you chose the 7 day, you can go back again on the next 7 day or after 7 day to check on the property. If you want to do it like every 14 day, 30 day, 90 day, it depends on you. All right. So we'll just do any. So that is just only for the Arkansas, and we can try to go to, for example, go to the neighborhood or the neighboring places. For example, this one, let's see. Oh, you see this part right here, all the red dots? You can submit all your deals on every red dot. All right, and you can try to submit every um red dot that you can see on the market that you are targeting, and you can send an offer at your 60% out of the asking price. All right, so I hope that this makes sense. You go through all the listing, you go through all of them, and then until they turn pink, and come check every once a week, whatever days you prefer to check the listing. All right, this is an amazing strategy in order to make deals completely free. So if you have no marketing budget, you're not out there currently doing this, then you're messing up. I think you're messing up, and it's very, very important. You can do this because this is for free, and like, you can see the possibility, right? If you want to do deals across the country, sit down for an hour every day and submit an offer every to every for sale by owner across the country, you will get deals. There is no you couldn't. I'm telling you, there's no way you couldn't. Now, keep in mind that, when, one of these red dot right here could mean 10, 20, 30, 40, $40 assignment fee. Just one of these red dot, just go through all of them. Submitting an offer to them at 60% could mean that you could make tens of thousands of dollars. So it is very, very possible, and it's very worth it. It is worth it. It's worth it to be doing this. So that is pretty much it. Zillow is a great strategy. And is an amazing strategy for free. So if you don't have any money, I highly recommend doing or started doing this. You can hire VAs to do this. That way you can stay up. You can stay on top of this and all the market that you wanna work or you wanna do it. VAs can do submitting offers, and you never know what could happen. It is worth a shot. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and leave a comment section if you have any question. Whatever videos you want me to create, just let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on my video. All right, so once again, this is Kim. I am your Super BVA, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.